beautiful people, welcome back to another beautiful day. It's your babe Asanwa baby. Hello, it's been a long time in it, but I'm back now. So today is all about Shein clothes. So this is my first impression on Shein clothes. I've not ordered anything from Shein before. I was like, I don't know how good their clothes is, but I decided to give it a try. But before we jump into the video, I'm going to give a shout out to Vicky. She sent me this alphabet pendant necklace. Yeah, it's a sterling silver and it comes with my name, with my initial. You can get it for yourself and it has from A to Z. So, and it's a perfect gift for anniversary, for your daughter, for your brother, for your cousin, for your auntie, for your grandma, everyone. And you can get it depending on what name you choose. You can get it like your birth month. So they gave me 15% discount to share with you guys. Isn't that amazing? Yeah. So I'm going to put the link on the info section, and I'm going to put the code as well, because like I have link and the code as well, so whichever one that's easy for you, and is linked to Amazon. So what do you guys think? Very beautiful. I'm going to put the picture of the necklace by the side so you guys can see it clearly, and it has a green and white flower and with the rhinestones on it, and it's for everyday wear, and it's going to suit for any occasion, any style. I love it. I want it today. So yeah, just follow me on my Instagram so you can see how I dress it up. Yeah, it's looking amazing. Thank you, Vicky, for sending me this beautiful necklace that comes with my name, Asanwa. Yeah. Let's jump into Shein clothes. So the first cloth I'm going to share with you guys is my favorite. You know, I love yellow, I love colors. Yeah, because colors is perfect for our skin tone. I love anything that is popping. Yeah, and it's going to make my skin color more pop. Yeah, and it's good for our skin color. Anything that is more bright. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. This dress, like this dress is a dress that speaks for itself. It will make you stand out. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So this is the dress. Yeah, it's a yellow dress and it has a square neck and it has a open back. Yeah, and with a long belt. So this is a dress that make you stand out, and it just speaks for itself, and it has so many colors. So depending on what color you want, you can choose from it. Even all the colors are so beautiful, and it's like a high-waisted with a flare, like a line on it, and it has this design that comes all the way from here down and at the back as well. So, and it has a lining inside, and I picked this in size small, but let me tell you guys, this material is a cotton material. It's not stretchy at all. So if you want to buy this dress, make sure you size it up. Maybe if like me, you can size it up to medium because it has no stretchy on it at all. But apart from that, the dress is beautiful. I'm impressed. My first time buying in Shein, I'm impressed already. So, and I'll still buy more from them. So yeah, and it has this design by the two waists. Yeah, so the day I won this dress, like everybody was like looking at me, was like, oh my gosh, I got so compliment on this clothes. And it's for any occasion, any outing, like all year round dress it is. I picked this white dress and it's called Milkmaid cami dress. It has a spaghetti hand with a tie knots here, and you can adjust it to your fitting. And in the front here, it has a luge on it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'll still put it picture. It's a chiffon material and it has a lining inside as well. So, but this one, I picked this one in size small because it has a elastic at the back, which is stretchy. So with this one, you can pick your normal size, and it has this design in the front, like that is going to stitch you on your waist. Can you see how beautiful this dress is? It's like the cutie, like, you know, like cutie dress. Yeah, this is what it is, and it's a very short dress. It's short but not too short. Yeah, I love the dress. I love everything about it, and it's white. You can't go wrong with white. White is going to make you stand out. It's going to make you pop out more. Everyday wear, any occasion. So, and it flares. Yeah. So I'm going to put all the links of the clothes mentioned in the info section. So if you like any of them, you can check it out. So this dress is like all eyes on me as I enter the party. Oh, it's a tropical dress, a very long dress it is, and it has a slit by the side. I love this dress, and it's a spaghetti hand. The way they detail the front, oh my gosh, you don't need to worry about wearing something inside, because the way it's designed in the front is going to cover your boobs and your nipples will not be showing out. So yeah, and it's a v-neck. The back is open back, so you're going to tie the strap because it's a backless back, and it has elastic here on the waist, like high waist, that is going to hold you on the waist, so it's not going to be moving down. The material is so soft and comfortable on the skin, and with the spaghetti hand makes it looks beautiful with the v-neck as well. Is one in town, 1 out of 100, you know. I picked these 2 pieces sets, and I picked it in size small. This is how beautiful the top is. It's not, the yellow is like on a lemon side, yeah. So, and it has elastic at the back, so you don't need to size it up, but it's a crop top. So, and it has this design on the hand that flares. Yeah, but with this one, the material of this one is not so good, because they didn't like the tailoring, they didn't do it very well, because you can see the threads coming out from it. This one is more on the low quality side to compare the other threads. The other threads, their qualities are so nice. So this is the skirt. It has elastic on the waist, so but the elastic is not that too tight, but then it's not holding me that much on my tummy. It's not giving me, like, you know, when you have something like it has elastic, it's supposed to cinch you on your waist, but this doesn't do that. It's just like the elastic is loose. So it's a long skirt it is, and it has the steps, like ruche steps, like gathers on it. It's a flare skirt. The skirt is so beautiful. The 2 pieces set is so beautiful, and the color is what attracts me to buy it. So it's going to make you stand out as well. So, but bear it in mind that the material is not so good. The quality of the material is not that good. You can see the threads there. Yeah, I enjoyed it though, because like you're walking, your skirt is like doing like this front and back, and I was in my skirt like this, so I enjoy it so much. So I picked this mesh outer top in burgundy color. Yeah, so, and this is the mesh. It's like kind of V in the front, and it's a sleeveless hand with a high neck. So I love the color, and this material is so stretchy, and I picked it in size small. This is how the back looks like. So yeah, and the same mesh, they have it on the both side of the top, and yeah, it's like kind of see-through, not like that much, and the front as well. I love it. I love the outer neck it has, so very stretchy material it is. I picked this high-waisted jean. It's a wash jean, and it has a long slit at the side. This is what attracts me to buy it, the slit. So yeah, and the material of the jean is not stretchy, and I picked it in size medium, but then it's so small on me. So because it's not a stretchy material, so I'll recommend, if you want to buy it in size large. So if you're bigger, you might size it up like extra large, and it's a very long skirt it is, very long skirt, so that's why I like it. And I love the color of the jean, like a washout jean color. So, and this is the bag. It has a pocket, 2 pockets at the back, and in the front it has 2 pockets as well, with a zip and a buckle on it. So I picked this hot pink flower crop top. Yeah, this top is so beautiful, but it's a tube, like a strapless top, and I picked it in size small. And the back, it has elastic, so you don't need to size it up because of the elastic. This is a bold flower standing in the front. I love it, and I love the color of it, the pink color, and it comes in different colors, and this is perfect, you know, like a girly top. Yeah, sometimes you have to package yourself, like make yourself look good. Yeah, keep yourself all together, body and soul. Yes. Material of this flower is chiffon, And this is how the back is, how they stitch the flowers on it. It's not something that is going to like the thread will be coming out. Yeah, but the elastic is not, it's stretchy, but it's not the stretchy material. It's not elastic that is going to hold you, like give you that tight fitting. It's a loose elastic. It's so nice, so pretty, very hot pink, you know, hot girl. Yeah, pink lady. And this is like a party top. You can wear it for a party. Yeah, and it's like evening clothes, evening top. Yeah, going out with the girls. Yeah. So lovelies, if you're still enjoying this video up till now, please give this video a big like, subscribe to my channel, comment which of these outfits is your favorite, and share so that other people will see my video, and this will motivate me to do more. Okay, so I picked this fishnet hair scarf. Yeah, I love it, and it has a rhinestones all over it, and it's a one size fits all. And this fishnet scarf is good for carnival, it's good for like a evening outing, and it's good like when your hair, the frontal of your hair is old, or you want to change a new hairstyle but you don't even know what hairstyle to change. You can put this scarf on your hair for a meantime, so, and it's going to look stylish. You can tie it on the back, or you can throw it around your hair, and which looks beautiful. It's like I'm going to leave this scarf on my head now, so let's tie it. This is how beautiful it is. Very nice scarf. I love the rhinestones all over it, so it's going to be popping. Yeah, so what do you guys think about this fishnet? I picked this high-waisted shapewear panty, and I picked it in size small, and it's stretchy, but for some reason it's not holding on my tummy. It's like rolling down, but it's supposed to like a hold and stay without lowering down, so I don't know why. And if I should pick it in size medium is going to be too big for me. So, and this is how the material is. Yeah, it kind of has this elastic line all over it. So I'm going to put a picture of it here so you guys can see how the panty is going to look on the body. And this is how the back is. Yeah, and I picked another sexy shapewear that is going to lift up your bum. You don't need to do surgery with this, so this is going to elevate your bum, make it push up. So this is how, see the back here. I'm going to put the picture by the side. Yeah, so this is going to give your bum a lift up, and it's going to hold you on your waist, and it's high-waisted. But I picked it in size small, but it's like so small because it's stretchy, but I don't know, for some reason it's not that stretchy because it can't fit on my thighs. So if you like have a big thighs, you have to size it up. So, but I don't know, like if you size it up, if it's going to hold you well on your tummy, because here you can see it's not too stretchy. So maybe sizing it up will be good. And this thing is not, you can't return it and you can't change it, so bear that in mind. So if you're buying any shapewear from them, make sure you buy your size. I like it because I wanted to see how it's going to lift up my bum, you know, make it like give me that silhouette at the back. But unfortunately I picked the wrong size. I picked this mesh tights that has rhinestones all over it. I picked it in size medium, and it comes with other different colors as well. I might picked it in black and in brown color as well. I like how rhinestone it is all over it. It's going to shine, and depending on the clothes you're going to wear, it's going to be popping. I love it. I'm going to put the picture of it by the side. So look at how mesh the tight is. I picked this wide waist belt, like a stylish waist belt that is going to elevate your look, elevate your style. And it has a hook by the side here. You're going to hook it by the side, and it has this bow that dangles on it, and it comes with other two colors as well, and it's a one size fits all. So I'm going to buy the gold color since I love the silver. Gold color will be good as well, isn't it? And you can wear it on your dress, and you can wear it on your skirt, and it will be good on your blazers as well. So I picked these dupe MS orange sandals that everyone has. Yeah, I love how cute this sandal is. I love how they cut on top, like the stylish how it is, and it's a very flat sandals. Like I can't be bothered buying these sandals in original price because it's so expensive. And besides, I'm not a flat person. I prefer more of heels than flat, but this, I said, why not have it in your collection because it's so beautiful. And it comes with so many colors, and so many brand has the dupes of it. I picked so many accessories. So this is a 5 pieces set bangle, and it comes in 2 color. It has silver color. It's a stylish bangle. So I love this one more with the hand. I'm going to put a picture of it here so you guys can see how it looks well. And I love it. I worn this thing so many times. This is just a fashion bangles, like for short term wear, because the gold spray or whatever tends to tarnish. So I picked this ankle chain. I'm going to put the picture here. It has a 8 false pearls on it. It's a fashion ankle chain, very nice it is. I picked this stylish body chain. You can have it as a back chain and you can have it as a waist chain. So I'm going to put a picture of it so you guys can see, and it's a one size fits all. So yeah, very nice chain it is. I picked this moon and star pendant layer necklace. I'm going to put a picture of it here. I kind of put it together, it kind of not, so I need time to separate it all over. It has a 3 layers on it with assorted pendants, and I picked this finger bracelet with a cuff on it. I'm going to put a picture on it as well by the side here, because the necklace and the cuff, they all tangle up together. I love this finger cuff bracelet. Yeah, like when I want it, I always keep my hand like this so everyone can see it. So it's a stylish and it's fashionable as well. So guys, my final thought on Shein clothes. Their clothes are nice, not bad at all. Some of them are good, while some are like on a low qualities. But the ones I picked, just only one that I can say is like raw quality to compare other ones that I picked, and their clothes are from different vendors. In terms of accessories, their accessories are fashionable, and the gold color and the silver color, because it's not like it's like a gold plated accessory, so it tends to tarnish as time goes on. Apart from that, their clothes are nice and they are comfortable on the skin, so they are not itchy or scratchy. They are quite comfortable. All right guys, yeah, that's my thoughts on their clothes. So guys, that is it for Shein haul. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big like, subscribe to my channel, comment which of this outfit is your favorite, and share my video so that others can see it. And if there is any video you'd like me to do, comment on the info section. See you on my next video. It's your babe Asanwa. Bye guys.